Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Beaches Negril Resort and Spa. Now this particular category I'm in is perfect for families. It's a Grand Luxe Family Room. Now what that really is it's a 2 double bedroom combined with a king. Let me show you what it's all about. Now as soon as you walk in the door here, come around the corner, you're already in your bedroom area. Now this particular part of the room has 2 double beds, but I also like that tucked in the corner, they have a sleeper sofa so you can pull that out as well. Now keep in mind you're gonna have turn down service every evening, maid service in the morning, so they'll handle all of those details for you. Now across from the beds, you're gonna find a large flat panel TV and a butler's pantry. You're gonna have one on either side. So you have a small microwave, perfect when traveling with the littlest of kids. You're also gonna have a coffee and tea maker right there. Of course, they'll replenish the coffee and tea daily for you, but you can also head down to Cafe de Paris coffee shop, which is where Taylor likes to start his day. Now underneath, you're gonna have a mini fridge, once again, one on each side, where you're gonna have fully stocked with sodas, juices, and water. And then of course you can request beer and wine as well if you would like. They have a fan up above. I really like that they have that. You're gonna have a Bluetooth speaker and phone in between the beds as well. Now just around the corner, you're gonna find the bathroom. As we head on in there, I wanted to point out the closet right here. So of course it's good for storage. You've got your golf umbrellas, extra pillows and blankets. You're also gonna have a laptop safe, hair dryer, iron, and ironing board. Directly across from the closet, you're gonna find your single vanity. You got a backlit mirror, magnifying mirror, and I like that they even have the step stool underneath for the little kids. You also have those full-size amenities from the Red Lane Spa. Now, if you wanna see the Red Lane Spa here on site or any of the incredible places here, including that water park, beach, pools, and restaurants, make sure you check out our full resort tour. And if you're considering upgrading, we also have the other rooms and suites for you to check out. Just through the door here, tucked in the corner, you're gonna find the toilet, and over on the other side, you're gonna have a shower and bath combo. It's always such a great feature to have a shower and bath so that you can have it for the littlest kids as well. So as I head through the door into the king room, I just wanted to point out one of my favorite features. It's a door that shuts completely. Now, I absolutely love my family. I love traveling with them, but having that extra privacy is a fantastic feature. And it's also especially great, maybe one of the kiddos or even dad's napping in the other room. You have that separation of space. Now in here, you're gonna see a large king size bed. You also have a writing desk with your phone. On the other side, you're gonna have another Bluetooth speaker. Now, as far as sleeping in this particular room, in the corner here, you're gonna have your day bed and trundle that combines. Now that's one of those Beaches signatures. I like that you have that so you can have 2 sleeping in here as well. Now across from the bed, you're gonna have another TV. You all know who's traveling with family that redundancy is fantastic. And so you're also gonna have that extra microwave, coffee, tea maker, and another fully stocked mini fridge. Now just around the corner, you're gonna find the bathroom. It is identical to the other one that we just saw. So you've got another closet for storage, an extra hair dryer, perfect when 2 people are getting ready at the same time. And then directly across, you've got another vanity with the mirror, full-size amenities. And then of course, underneath you've got that kiddo's stool. Now my favorite thing about having a second bathroom is right in here, you're gonna have a second shower and tub combo. So once again, you can have 2 people getting ready at the same time. You never have to worry about that. Now we're just outside on the patio area, and another thing that's really important to point out is you have a second veranda right here behind you. They're completely identical, but once again, having those extra spaces. Maybe you want to step out here in the morning to have a nice cup of coffee before the others wake up. Of course, you can do that. Now on both, you're gonna have a table and 2 chairs, and then you also have your drying rack on either side. So when you head up from the pool or the beach, you can dry your clothes off right there. Now these are gonna have tropical views, and once again, I mentioned earlier, if you wanna check about upgrading to one of those incredible beachfronts or another category, make sure you check out those videos as well. Now when you're ready to book this or any other category at Beaches or Sandals Resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your family, friends, group, or wedding party at an incredible value.